Hello. So this is a video to show you how Service Report works, which is an app that provides an AI-enabled quality assurance for customer service teams. In short, this tool is doing the quality assurance on the background. So you select the projects. AI goes over all the conversations in that project and assigns for each and every ticket the new custom field, which is called true resolution and true customer satisfaction CSAT score, that you can now use in your regular reports in Jira. So true resolution is 4 points scale, where 1 point is where a user clearly indicated the issue was not resolved or was not properly addressed. 2 is when the issue was not resolved, but it was not a clear statement from the user, so we cannot safely conclude that. Where 3 is the opposite, where the issue is likely resolved, and 4 where the customer confirmed firmly that the issue was resolved. So we measured this and input it into every resolved conversation in your projects that you select, and same we do for customer satisfaction score. Let's see how it works better than many words. So this is your regular Jira Service Desk, and this is the app you need to install. It's called Service Report, where you can see it's basically the dynamics of how we believe the issues that are marked as resolved, were they actually resolved or were they not. So you can see it by the day. You can see the discrepancy in these things. We just have few tickets. This is so it's not very informative, but generally this is chart where you can see the discrepancy in multiple days. So let's just dive into some specific tickets. So for example, let's take this first one. Can anyone help me? This is very interesting ticket in which we can see now you are able to have this this widget, I believe, in each and every conversation that was marked as resolved with the clarifications. So you can see here the issue address score, the user satisfaction score, what was the primary issue solution, and the feedback, where feedback is AI generated explanation of why exactly these points were assigned. So let's look at it. It's one of the most complex cases. It's chat form, so it's not like emails or communication in the tickets, which is more sought over because it's more it takes time, right? So it's one of the most complex. It's chat, and it's pretty informal, very technical chat. So you can see the customer came in with the problem that he lost his graphics driver, and the agent suggested reinstalling the graphics driver and provided instructions how to do this using a specific software system. So if you can see the end of the conversation, it's basically, so there is 34 messages in this conversation. So if we can see the end of the conversation, you can see that basically the customer is sending the sad smileys, and the agent suggested that this is what the customer needs to do, install this very specific software, but it seems that the customer is pretty tired or upset with this solution. So we believe the customer hoped for a different kind of resolution, but sometimes that's life, right? So this is the only thing the agent was able to do. This is the only right solution in that specific case. Thus, we did not really got a confirmation from the customer that it helped. So the customer didn't return into this ticket, but it seems that the agent was driving it in the right direction, and customer didn't neither complained nor challenged this direction. This is why we have 3 points. So it's very, very complex, and there are a lot of nuances to it, and this complex case with the complex conversation, and you still see that AI navigated through that and assigned reasonable 3 points in this case, while we still have user satisfaction as 2 points, which is pretty interesting in this case. So you can see the like explanation that the user is mentioning that it's the third time he's asking for the help in this channel. You can see this is how the conversation started. It's the third time I'm asking, and he is concluded with the sad smileys. So it's like it's not a clear statement that the customer is mad or upset or he didn't like this outcome, but it also, like, we believe it's safer to conclude that the customer was not happy than he was happy, because we have less confirmation of the sentiment that he was happy. So again, very nuanced, very complex matter, and this is just the points that now can be used by team leads to evaluate specific cases, to look into specific issues and to know to what issues to look, right? So before that, the only way to understand if the agents were really resolving tickets correctly was for team leads to read through that tickets through some sample. Now we can pinpoint a very specific tickets that are worth looking into. So, I mean, I can talk a lot about the benefits of this course, but I believe you understand it for yourself, what flexibility it allows. So it's basically, these marks are now set for each and every ticket that is marked as resolved in the system. Thus, you can filter it using the standard Jira means. So it's not our plugin, it's a Jira like standard view all issues. I can go here, I can say, okay, I'm interested in true resolution, I'm interested in the items that were likely resolved, and here are they. And at the same time, I can say, okay, I'm interested in, for example, the items that are marked as resolved, so resolution done, and in where the satisfaction still seem to be subpar. So yeah, here you go. For example, you can specifically, we just filtered this specific ticket. So this is a very, very good example. Now you can save this filter and you can use it in your dashboard, in your charts. So basically everywhere now this ticket is now this filter is available. So it provides unparalleled flexibility and transparency, and the best, this app is free for first 30 days. So just install, enjoy, see how it benefits you. If you have any questions, just ping me in the app page, or send us an email to servicereport@getreport.ai, and we'd really be happy to help you to set it up and to make it have sense for you. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.